Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to convert BNB to Ethereum on Metamask. As you can see, I am on my Metamask over here and I'm in the BNB Smart Chain network. So why am I in the BNB Smart Chain network? It's because this BNB token over here is only available in the BNB Smart Chain network. So if you're not in the BNB Smart Chain network, click on this drop down arrow over here. And as you can see, you'll have a variety of networks. I know most of you by default will be in the Ethereum main network, but I'll ask you to come and join the BNB Smart Chain network for this purpose. So after joining the BNB Smart Chain network over there, as you can see, what you're going to do is simple. I'll just come and click on this BNB over here. And remember, the topic of this video is swapping from BNB or converting from BNB to Ethereum. So after tapping on BNB, you click on swap over here. So when you click on the swap button over here, you'll be asked which token do you want to turn your BNB or to convert your BNB into. So click on this arrow over here, the drop down arrow, and then select Ethereum, because we are converting from BNB to Ethereum. So as you can see, when I type in ETH, it will bring the Ethereum token, and this is its icon, this purple icon here. So I'll click on that. So after clicking on that, I'll be asked how much BNB do I want to convert from BNB to Ethereum. So for this case, I'll put in the amount of BNB I want to convert, and for this case, I'll convert 25 BNB just for trial purposes, okay? And then after clicking on that, I'll just click on get quotes over here, and then I'll proceed and confirm the conversation just simply as that. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.